sir. Morning, sir. Yeah, Oba Joy, me away. All right, sir. But I can't believe this. All right, sir. And Mr. Ronidima, I come me details about the CBR and whoever you suspected, so that we know where to begin from. All right, sir. All right, sir. And may inform me team so that we know where our preparations towards this operation, sir. Only house, don't be worried. But Mr. say and can't you be give no information to anybody. My answer so that we know where to begin before we bet. All right, sir. Nothing to be worried about, sir. Nothing, sir. All right, sir. Take care. John. Say, Mr. JT, about girl, Joy.
Yeah.
No outside, no.
Yeah.
Girl, maybe drew Ghana here from airport.
Everybody feel.
Or my kidnap a girl.
What? For what reason?
Meaning, it's with the information that mammy no. Or see, you ain't get a chap. Now, in church, women in some kind of nature say, one more kidnap a girl. Almost something blackmailing, and in a way, no, so. Sound of one also. They sound to be very dangerous. It's he's expecting me, you and I and Sonny to team up and get this girl back sound and safe.
Scorpion, you know something? For me, I think this mission we have to start from the street.
From the street. Samu.
Do you know the reason why? What's the streets, I wanna ghetto guys.
Yeah.
There are a lot of ghetto guys on the street.
Exactly.
But we need the bomb would need to kidnap back one or two grandpa. You never fear. So when you move dear by Obama, I'm telling you.
Bro, it's very easy. This is not the first time I hear street, so we can do it.
Yes.
First. Then
that's it.
There'll be tip off from there.
Exactly.
Boys now come once. I wonder how they got the information about the girl. And
what I don't understand is when the mom sound formation, they say Akrana barbecue.
When I say car, I say go pick a girl, you go pick it. Really? It's a whole lot, please. Now, let's find a way to begin. That's all.
No, Mr. Jesse. Just so try to me from Hokoma police. It's a Sanya way now and Odin Shasi. In what I say. Sa opponent now winning now. I was out. Now come up and 40 say oh and I would decide man. Yes. And I paid the toss with him. Me no agreement. The deal is sika oh. Mama sanka misika. And yes sir, we need to chat to. Obano fra broad obano. My welcome on the campus. Yes. Eti ada say obeko out. And my president and I pay for who say oh. And all this man. Let me give me the free. Yes, sir. Obano. Yes. Mr. Jete, men mammy boofu. We know near same year. So, Obano, dear. asem na maka ati no nyina two things. Ada say oba no e betwa so anade msika be mame. Ana say obekọ out. No ko come penifo ati say wo na odi say adwuma no. Inu ni asem bia bia. Father bank account, Mom.
What?
I said give me the details of your father's bank account.
Why should I give my father's bank account to you? What do you need that for? Besides, if you have an issue with him, you should go and settle with him, not me. What is wrong with you?
You say me quick akrebi. I'm crying na come do much.
What is wrong with you? Let go of me. I will report you when I. Besides, why have you kept me? Let go of me.
Jack. Mongo no ade bia mu hu e ka man benye ska mu hu.
Hey, don't touch me. Are you crazy? Listen, let go of me. Go. I'm going to report you. Oh, leave me alone. Leave me alone. What is wrong with you? What is
Ferocia from atsu. Good. Listen, sorry, Mr. Ajiti. A young honorable Ajiti.
Yes, please.
Good. The Baba do appreciate friend joy. So we are west of Ghana.
No.
Listen, I'm only trying to be that fair with you. I am Mr. Ajiti. The Baba friend joy. We're from Ghana. The car that was supposed to pick her from airport straight home to her father's house. This girl is missing on the way home. According to the information our sources say, there is one guy, a notorious guy called Cobra. What people get in hostage, and I want you to help us with the whereabouts of Cobra. Everyone. Any information?
I don't know anyone called Cobra.
Listen, I'm only trying to be fair with you. Maybe the whereabouts of Cobra, that's all. And you know what?
I don't know.
I want Cobra! And you know what? Jump to me before. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Leroy's, but I'm only trying to be fair with you. Just tell me, I have a Cobra or share. Okay? You know what? Where is Cobra?
I don't know.
Damn it. You know something? You are too young to lose your life.
Huh? If you are able to give us this information, your life will never be the same.
So where the hell is Cobra? And who the hell is he?
I don't know anyone called Cobra.
Well, good. No. You never feel right, Waka. All we wanted was the truth. So also we didn't go right here. I think say no kind of Waka chain, we have a problem. Alright?
Dear no. My name Sebia Lady way papa na small modia. It's menche.
Baby again no one. Yen yin free yan fan ko be fufu. Na ni ya ba.
No. Let them come. Se chiri ya sokra said na. Again, be yin free. Let them come. It's the tit for tat day.